at the NCF Covered Court for the matchup between the NCF Tigers versus USI Falcons. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And I am Keller Francisco, and joining here with me today is Miss Christine Alcanzares. Good afternoon, Tien.
Good afternoon, Kelly. Now, this is the matchup of our NCF Tigers versus the USI Falcons. Ito, Kelly, pag-usapan natin yung naganap kahapon. The NCF Tigers, an epic battle, an epic comeback against the BU Wolves. Kaya titinan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba yung preparation nila na gagawin or ginawa para dito sa pagharap nila sa USI Falcons.
Yes, Tien, after that game, after that win, it's a tough game actually between their rival. It's the BU versus NCF last day, and mamaya makikita natin kung ano nga ba ang mga adjustments na kanilang gagawin mamaya sa loob ng court. And dito naman sa side ng USI Falcons, as we have seen that this is their third game, right? Yeah. Yung USI, their last game is between Bucal University and the Falcons, and unfortunately they lost that game, but I know that today they will do their best to make their game more easier for them, no, para makakontribute sila ng points to their teams, and of course sa maging maayos ang laro nila ngayon.
Eh, syempre nga, yung ating USI Falcons, kailangan nilang doblehin yung kanilang effort dito, tighten their defense as well as their offense para makakuha ng unang panalo. Well, medyo mahirap yung laban nila ngayon dahil defending champion NCF Tigers sa kanilang makakaharap. Pero titingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung naging preparation nila dito. And of course, aabangan natin yan maya-maya lamang. But of course, live na live pa rin po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, at papanood din po tayo sa One Media TV 48 Naga para sa eksklusibong paghaharap ng ating NCF Tigers and USI Falcons. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chan. Hi Chan, update natin dyan.
According to him, the Falcons has been working tirelessly not just to complete during the training, but also to improve their skills and strategies. He also emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and supporting each other on and off the court. Overall, the Falcons is feeling determined and ready to face the challenge of playing against the NCF Tigers. Win or lose, lalaban kami. Ika nga ni Coach. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, keep tuning to our One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, only here at Bucal Season 5. Back to the panel.
Team, on the side of the USI Falcons nga, they need to maintain their enthusiasm inside the court, their positivity para at least makagawa sila ng plays. And with that, I think they can give a good fight naman on this game. But right now, on the side of the Tigers, let's hear an update on their courtside reporter. Kyla, take it away.
Good afternoon, Dean and Kelly, and to all our volleyball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third week of Bucal University's Colleges and Athletic League Men's and Women's Volleyball Division. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. After their victorious win against the Bucal University, they regained their strength and they are more motivated for this game. After the game yesterday, nagpahinga at nagbanding ang Tigers because they are very happy with the result and with the outcome of their hard work. Sabi nga ni Coach Ian, mahirap pag galing ka sa talo dahil nakatatak sa player ang nangyari at talagang gagawin nila para sa team. As the head coach, he continuously reminds the team to always go back to the reason why they are here. Every time na mag-shake sila, kailangan lang nilang balikan ang purpose kung bakit sila nandito, and that is to show that they are the Tigers and they are gonna defend their title for Bucal. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Kyla, for that update. Ayan.
And brought to you by One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Our referee for the match is first referee, Jason Tayabo, Bucal referee. Second referee is Isabel, Bucal referee. Let's now meet the players of the Universidad de Sta. Jersey number 3, Mark Williams. And jersey number 2, Lorenzo Andrew Pakistrano. The starting libero is jersey number 6, Jeffrey Pringa. Head coach is Jordan Elegado. Now introducing the defending champion of Bucal, the whole team, the NCF Covered. Jersey number 5, John Terry Australia. Jersey number 1, Tristan Capucal. Jersey number 13, Tyler Ever. Jersey number 17, Gabriel Santiago. Jersey number 19, Edward Santiago. Jersey number 10, Josh Reyes Guerrero. Opposing team captain, jersey number 3, Marcia Pemberton. The starting libero is jersey number 7, Jeremy Miller. Second libero is jersey number 15, Ray Carney. Their head coach is Ian Green Payato.
See if ano ba ang magagawa nila with that tactics.
Now, our first set will start now as this is the first matchup of our Sunday. It's the NCF Tigers versus the USI Falcons.
Ayan nga tin, bago lang talaga sa paningin ko na wala sa loob yung team captain na si Belgica. Pero these players, I know they can convert a plays and a point for their team. But right now, that outside hit coming from Mira, an over-calculated hit on that first play of the USI Falcons.
Now, the USI Falcons need to lessen their errors.
A service ace coming from Australia. Nagsisimula pa lang ang laban pero ginagad ng mga players.
Yes, of course, nakapagpahinga yung ating NCF Tigers dahil nga dun sa panalo nila sa BUOs. And now, they're really determined para dire-diretso ang kanilang panalong makukuha ngayong hapon na to. And again, Australia serving.
Good serve, Balane to the back. Good cover there. Ngayon, Mira for the free ball. Nair with that receive. Australia. Combination play. Down the line hit for Kapukaw. Napakagandang play ang ibinigay doon ng NCF Tigers. Actually, medyo nga nag-alangan pa, nabasa ng blockers, but still, yung malakas na palo coming from Kapukaw, hindi kinaya. At ngayon, Australia to Merdigia, to the opposite. This is scoring, spiking center of the NCF Tigers is contributing right now.
Now, 4 straight points coming from the NCF Tigers. Kailangan na ditong humabol ang ating USI Falcons as Australia again. Too much power on that serve. So a bonus point on the side of the USI Falcons. Now this is their chance para magtuloy-tuloy ang kanilang pagpuntos. Now Balane. Serving.
To Merdigia, but it's an out. Napalakas doon yung palo sa open ni Merdigia. Napakatangkad na players ng NCF Tigers.
Again, Balane to serve.
Kapukaw, and he breaks down the wall. Pupuntos dito si Kapukaw with that combination play once again. Grabe, ang dami talagang, alam mo yung combinations play ng NCF na pinapakita dito. So far, yung USI Falcons wala pang masyadong pinapakitang magandang plays, but let's see. At tumutok lang po tayo dito sa first set.
Yes.
Na Kapukaw.
Nasa loob pa yan. Another point for the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang momentum ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers dito sa ating first set. Pero sabi nga natin, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Meron pang chance ang ating USI Falcons na humabol dito. And to double their effort now. Kapukaw again. But now, it's an error.
Binawi.
Ayan yung puntos ng ating USI Falcons galing dun sa mga error ng NCF Tigers. And they really need to have a play here sa ating first set.
Australia. Oh, Pamplona! Wow! An almost first line hit coming from Pamplona. Napakagandang angulo ang ipinakita doon. And aside from that, it's his advantage because matangkad talaga ng batang to.
Hindi din na kita ng USI Falcons yan. Now,
Balane. A block. Ngayon, chance. Pero, combination play. Misset there. Naibigay ng USI Falcons. Misset coming from Australia.
now the USI Falcons need to tighten their floor defense.
Good dig. Block by Barredo. Ngayon, ibibigay kay La Guardia. Di pa rin makapuntos. La Guardia once again. And it's a block coming from the NCF Tigers. Bantay sarado. After that 3 consecutive attempts of that spike.
Grabe.
Hindi nabasag yung blocker dito ng NCF Tigers and now serving Mergadia. A poor reception for the USI. Ngayon, chance once again. Mergadia that receive. Australia to the running attack. A point by Barredo.
Barredo was outside of the NCF Tigers at napakaganda nung pinapakita nila from attacks to blocks. Grabe. And hindi na nga dito nakakasunod ang ating USI Falcons and they really need to double their effort. And that's an ace coming from Mergadia. It's 10 serving 4. So, Team Captain Belihika will now join the NCF squad for our first set. And again, Mergadia to serve for the NCF Tigers.
Another service ace for the NCF Tigers.
Now Mergadia again. Balane sets up.
Inside. Puntos for the USI Falcons.
Now, jersey number 3, Raines. will serve the ball on the side of the USI Falcons.
Isabel Fornero, Estrella, to Belhica, pero malayo. Malakas yung palo doon ni Belhica. Puntos for the USI Falcons.
11 serving 6.
Now Balane, La Guardia adjust. Nero. Bardigia to Belhica. Bardigia to Barredo once again. Nagpapakilala. Jet Barredo of the NCF Tigers with that emphatic hit in the middle.
And you know what, Kelly? What I love about the NCF Tigers, lahat ng players nila nagsashine talaga with their skills. Lahat makikita mong gumagalaw at pinapakita talaga yung kanilang skills. And now, let's see as Pamplona with that strong service.
That's true, then. That's the versatility of these players. Even the second stringers, I guess, of their team talagang can contribute. At ngayon, the USI Falcons, they need talagang humabol. Kapukaw. And puntos once again for the NCF Tigers.
Now, the NCF Tigers is halfway through our first set. 13 serving 7. Now Jethro Barredo.
A good jump serve. Service ace for the USI Falcons. Medyo nagkakagulo dito sa side ng USI Falcons when it comes to their reception.
Yes.
They are lacking now in terms of receiving. They can pass the ball. They can pass the ball easily, so they cannot make a play. Pero let's see, after this timeout called by the USI Falcons, if they can cut the bleed.
Ayan nga, Kelly. Kaya napatawag yung ating USI Falcons dahil nga dito sa first set medyo nahihirapan sila with their plays, with their floor defense, and they really need to adjust right now dahil nga ang ating NCF Tigers umaarangkada dito sa ating unang set as we are back again in the ball game. 14 serving 7.
Ngayon naman, after the timeout, another service ace for Barredo. Kakasimula pa lamang ng laban. But let's see if the USI Falcons can cut the bleed right now. Barredo with that serve, and that ends their momentum. Ngayon, La Guardia on the service line. Actually, he's a good server. But that serve, hindi pumasok yung bola, an error. Medyo na-excite lang doon si La Guardia. Medyo umiinit pa ang laban, kaya nag-error siya doon. But now, Belica with that serve. Another almost service ace. Now a chance, but it's an outside free ball for Pabay.
Now only 8 points away of the NCF Tigers. Still they can get the set number 1 as Belhica again to serve. And that's an ace.
Service ace once again for the Tigers.
A 10-point lead of the NCF Tigers now. Belhica again. Free ball bibigay sa NCF. 1-2 play. Now Merdigia. Bucal. Soft touch. Ball is still alive here. Belhica with that powerful attack, ending that rally. NCF is really on their edge. Now, Belhica again.
Outside hit. Kanina pa nga dito tina-target din ng Annie Belhica si La Guardia. Kanina pa when it comes to receiving, talagang hindi masyadong stable dito yung receive ni La Guardia. Kanina pa siya tina-target, kaya madaling makapuntos dito ang Tigers. With that 1-2 play, puntos for the NCF Tigers. Ngayon, still on the service deck, Belhica. A good serve once again. Another target. Mira with that soft touch. Verdigia took up Bucal, and that's a point for the NCF Tigers. Time out called once again by the USI Falcons. You know what, Tin? Kanina pa nga dito napapako yung USI Falcons sa 8 points. After that first time out, hindi pa rin masyadong nakabawa. Pero they are adjusting, and they know that they are really lacking when it comes to their reception, and I think they need to improve on that, or they need to adjust on that para at least makagawa sila ng maayos na play and makagawa ng puntos.
Yan, nahanapan nga sila dito ng butas ng NCF Tigers, and the NCF Tigers still dominating our first set with 22 serving 8. And now, let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the USI Falcons na ngayon, 3 puntos na lamang kailangan ng NCF Tigers. Now, still on the service deck, Team Captain Belhica.
Good serve once again. Balane, Tomira. And that goes straight down to the net. 2 puntos na lamang ang kakailanganin ng NCF Tigers dito to close this set. It's 23-8. Now, still on the service deck, it's Balhika. Another target for La Guardia. Ayan. Merdiguia to Otero. Mira. Single block by Otero. Balane to Mira once again. Ihulog. Ngayon, Nero to Kapukaw. With that adjust hit. Puntos pa rin for the NCF Tigers. It's set point.
Puntos na lamang ang kailangan dito ng ating NCF Tiger till they get the set number 1. A good performance coming from them, and still the USI Falcons is lacking on their defense.
Good cover there. What a save by Nero, and that ends our first set for this matchup. Magbabalik po tayo for the second set dito lang sa Oragon Sport TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Set number 1 ending it 25-8. A good performance coming from them. Now let's see the second 6 of the NCF Tigers, consisting of Francisco, Raimundo Wata for Katubig, Ardenia, and Estrella, and Sergio. Now, on the side of the USI Falcons, let's see. Ano kaya yung naging adjustment dito ng ating NCF Tigers para makikita tayo ng update? Tawagin natin ang ating coach sa reporter na si Kayla. Ay, Kayla, ano update natin dyan?
And Kali, we are now on the second set of this matchup at kitang-kita nga kung gaano nag-enjoy ang Tigers for this game dahil nasungkit nila ang first set sa score na 25-8. Coach Ian reminds them since nakaka-score ang kalaban dahil sa kanilang error, they need to lessen it for the second set. Maging consistent lang sa galaw para magtuloy-tuloy ang momentum. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. They need to be consistent inside the court para tuloy-tuloy lang ang puntos at may panalo ang game na to. But right now, on the side of the USI Falcons, let's hear an update to Chen. Chen, ano ang update dyan?
Going to my report, Dean and Kelly, hesitation and disappointed by the coach because of the errors by the Falcons that led them to their slump in the first set. The Falcons fought hard but the champions proved to be a formidable opponent. Pero sa kabila ng challenge na hinaharap ng Falcons ay patuloy pa rin nilang ipapakita at susubukang manalo. Ika nga ni Coach, enjoy lang ang game kaya naman makukuha na kaya ng USI Falcons ang second set o muli itong madodominate ng Tigers. Yan ang dapat nating tutukan. Dean and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga, kailangan lang i-enjoy ng USI Falcons sa kanilang laro dito. But also, they need an effort to make that happen. And that last sequence, Ardenia will got attack now. 3 straight points coming from the NCF Tigers. Estrella now to serve.
Australia with another poor reception by La Guardia. Now on the service line, it's Estrella. Another in the middle. Katubig with that receive. Estrella to the opposite. Raimundo. Lakasan yung palo.
Now the USI Falcons got that bleeding. Nakuha nga nila ang kanilang unang puntos dito sa ating set number 2. Now Balane, team captain, to serve.
A service error for Balane. Libreng puntos for the NCF Tigers. Now on the service line, it's Katubig. Balane in the middle, block. To Bulansoy. Ngayon, Estrella ay bibigay kay Francisco with that combination play. Good cover there by the libero. Good dig by Katubig. Estrella to Francisco. Adjust. Now, La Guardia going to Mira. Without adjust. That hit goes straight to the net. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
6 serving 1. Good momentum again on the side of the NCF Tigers now. A good serve coming from Katubig, and that's an ace. Ayun. The substitution on the side of the USI Falcons. Magkawas in exchange of La Guardia. Now let's see what will be his contribution for the USI Falcons. And again, Katubig will serve the ball for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Pagpapahingahin dito ngayon sila Guardia. But on that sequence, service ace, another for the NCF Tigers. Katubig on the service line. Good serve. Now, another poor reception, another service ace, back-to-back service aces for Katubig.
Yan, isang puntos pa lang nga nagagawa dito ang ating USI Falcons. While the NCF Tigers is really on their game face today. Now, Balanes sets it up. Through the blockers. Itong atake ni Bulansoy. So that's a good point for the USI Falcons. He will now serve the ball.
Estrella, back quick. Francisco, over calculated hit by Francisco. Libreng puntos for the USI Falcons.
Now Bolansoy again to serve. That's an outside.
Ibinalik yung libreng puntos na yon. Now on the service line, jersey number 11. A service ace once again for the NCF Tigers coming from Ardena. That serve from Ardenia. Ngayon, eto,
Yes.
Genavia, ipapasok the very special service specialist of the NCF Tigers. Kahapon nga gumawa ng ingay ng batang to, and let's see ngayon. Sigurado, good serve. Balane, Tomira on the opposite. Dig by Katubig, ngayon kay Raimundo. Reyes to the receive. Reyes, and he breaks down the wall. Puntos for the USI Falcons.
Now the USI Falcons. Mira.
Estrella to Raimundo. Mababa yung set. Puntos for the Falcons.
Back-to-back points coming from the USI Falcons now. Mira again.
Babawiin. Another strong hit for Raimundo.
Now with that error of the NCF Tigers, the USI Falcons is gaining a point right now.
Francisco with that exclamation point. Puntos for the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang elevation coming from this spiker. Ngayon, on the service line, Raimundo. Reyes with the adjust. Raimundo. Ngayon, ibibigay kay Francisco once again. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Now 6 serving 13. Still on the lead ang ating NCF Tigers. Now Raimundo to serve.
Another good serve. Good ball there. Balane. Pulo. Good recover. Estrella. Good 1-2 play. Balane to Reyes. Block. A net touch. Violation for the Tigers. Puntos.
Now the errors of the NCF Tigers. Medyo napapadami na dito sa ating second set now. Reyes.
Kay Mundo. Nagawa ng paraan yung palong yon. Kahit medyo mababa yung palo, but still with that strong attack by Raimundo. Now serving. Raimundo will receive. Arcangel, but a block for the Falcons.
Now the second set for the USI Falcons is better than the set number 1. So now let's see their adjustment here.
Katubig with a soft touch. Now Raimundo to Arcangel. Pinabawi. Gawa ng paraan doon yun, yung miss hit ni Arcangel. Now she is on the service line. No substitution here for the NCF Tigers. Nasa loob si Henavilla, katubig, and he breaks down the wall. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Now the NCF Tigers.
Walang middle blocker ngayon
Yes.
dito sa NCF Tigers. Pinapabelo si Genavia. What a tactic there for the NCF. Now Arcangel serving. To the cover, Raimundo to Katubig, adjust, another point for Katubig. At tuwang-tuwa nga dito ang manonood sa puntos na ginawa ni Katubig.
Now, once again, the NCF Tigers is halfway through our second set. Arcangel again to serve. Kawas magbigay ng free ball ngayon. Australia sets it up. Another point for the side of the USI Falcons. 9 serving 17. Ngayon, Janavia lalabas ng court. In exchange of Ardenya. Kapukaw will be back for our second set.
Papasok ngayon dito si Kapukaw as setter naman.
Yes.
Inilabas is Shelia.
Now a change of rules for the NCF Tigers, but on that last sequence, his service ace coming from Magkawas. He will now again serve the ball for the side of the USI.
To the back. Good dig there. Ups and net touch. Violation. Tatawag dito kay Mira. Medyo na-excite doon si Mira na balik ang bola.
Now, grabe yung versatility sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Kapukaw now will be the setter on the side of the NCF.
That's an outside. Kapukaw dito ang magiging setter. Tatlong spikers ang nasa loob ngayon.
Now, Balane serving.
A free ball. Francisco bigay sa middle. Balane. Another. Good save there. Katubig. But another net touch violation. Itatawag dito kay Bulansoy.
Napapadabi na nga dito ang error ng USI Falcons kung kaya napatawag na dyan ng timeout sa kanilang kupunan. Now on our second set, Kelly, napakaganda ulit ng pinapakitang performance dito ng NCF Tigers. But still, there are errors both sides. So they need to lessen that. And of course, sinabi nga natin kanina yung versatility sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Change of roles from spiker to setter. So now let's see more of the NCF Tigers dito sa ating set number 2 and to the coming set number 3. But for the side of the USI Falcons, it's a good play for them for the second set. Let's see what will be their adjustment here para makahabol sa NCF Tigers.
After that timeout, now serving, it's Katubig. Another good serve, but it's an out.
Nabibigyan nga ng puntos dito by the error of the NCF Tigers.
Poor reception for the Tigers. Francisco, good dig there. Now Balane, Katubig with the receive. Kapukaw, combination play and an exclamation point for Francisco.
Now, just 5 points away ang ating NCF Tigers in getting that set number 2. Now on the service line, Ardenya.
A service ace for the Tigers. 4 na puntos na lamang ang kakailangan dito to close the set. On the service line, it's Ardenia. Another service is with the help of the net. Puntos for Ardenia.
Now he will be again on the service line for the third time. Now will it be an ace or the USI Falcons can catch it this time?
Back to back service aces for Ardenia.
At dahil nga dyan, 2 puntos na lamang kailangan ng NCF Tigers to end the set. Ardenia again to serve.
Another service ace for consecutive service aces. Last one for the NCF Tigers to close this second set.
Will Ardenia close the second set with an ace again? Let's see. As he will now serve.
Now, good recovery there. A block by Arcangel, and that ends the second set. Magbabalik po tayo for our third set. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
right now, on the side of the USI Falcons, let's hear an update. Let's take it away. Chen?
Well, Tin and Kelly, we can see that Falcons is still trying to close the match for the second set. So Coach Joe will keep reminding the players to avoid the errors and blockings at sipagan lang sa loob ng court para makuha nila ang third set. That is for now. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga. With that last set, medyo napadami yung errors na nagawa dito ng USI Falcons. So Coach reminded them to lessen that error. As we can see on our first point, will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now on the line, we have Estrella. And that's outside. So a bonus point for the side of the USI Falcons at para makikita naman tayo na update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Tina and Kelly. We are now on the third set of this match-up. Malaki nga ang naging kalambangan ng Tigers at nasugit pa rin nila yung score na 25. Kitang-kita nga natin ang fighting spirit ang nangingibabaw sa NCF Tigers today. We can see how eager the Tiger is na paabutin lang ng 3 sets ang laban na ito against the Falcons. Patuloy naman ang paalala ni Coach Ian sa kanyang mga players na ituloy-tuloy lang ang magandang nasimulan para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
For that update, tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban. Gusto nilang tapusin with a straight set. And let's see right now if matatapos ba ng NCF Tigers to or mag-i-extend ang USI Falcons. Now on the service line, it's Solomon. A good serve to the opposite. Good dig there. Good save! Hindi na itaas yung bola doon ni Otero. Puntos for the USI Falcons.
Now Fabay.
Estrella to Pamplona with that hit. Wow! A catch shot hit by Pamplona. And now Otero on the service line. Balane to La Guardia, but it's a block. Now Otero still on the service line. Received by Mira. Balane to Reynes. Now Estrella. Pamplona adjust. Dig by Mira. Chance. Solomon with the receive. Estrella. In the middle. Grabing set naman yung nakita ni Estrella dito. Nakalawag na pero still an excellent. Wow. An excellent play by Estrella. Now Otero is still on the service line. An outside service by the NCF.
Now inside of the USI Falcons, La Guardia to serve.
Good ball called by the referee.
Now Raimundo will be back on the court for the NCF Tigers.
Who will be the setter?
Now let's see as we continue here. Merdigia now to serve.
Berdigue will serve as the setter right now. Now serving. Another poor reception. Balane to Reynes. Taas yung bola. Puntos for the NCF Tigers. Merdigui yung... But it's a check ball pala on the side of USI Falcons, kaya puntos for USI. Now serving Rines. Binalik yung puntos na yon with that service error. Ayun, Pamplona on the service line. Service out.
No, medyo malit lang yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers with that error. Now on the service line.
What a spike by Barredo. Now, he is on the service line. Jet Barredo. A strong serve. Otero with the receive. Nardigia to Otero. A lifting violation for Nardigia with that set. Medyo napatagal yung bola sa kamay ni Nardigia. Receive by Nero. Nardigia to Raimundo. Another strong hit for Raimundo.
No, Kelly, napapadami na dito yung error ng NCF Tigers kaya humahabol ang ating USI Falcons. Now, 2 puntos lamang hinahabol nila dito as Mira now to serve.
Ngayon, La Guardia. Recovered there by Solomon. In the back. Wow! What a hit coming from Pamplona. This young athlete of the NCF Tigers contributing a lot of points even though he is on the back. Mapalikod man siya or nasa loob sa harap, he can give or contribute a point. But now, La Guardia with that hit, too strong, puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Now 11 serving 7. Raimundo to serve.
Now chance for the USI Falcons. Rines, Balane to La Guardia. A block. But it's out. Puntos for the USI Falcons. Medyo nagkakaroon na dito ng medyo konting angasan sa loob ng court. But binawi doon ng serve. Service out from Balane. Ngayon, lalabas si Pamplona and Katubig in.
Now Solomon serving.
A service out. Easy ball. Bertiquilla to Otero. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Now they just need to continue that and lessen the error here. The NCF Tigers para dire-diretso ang kanilang pagpuntos. Now Genavia will be back on the court. And Arcangel.
Now, he is serving. Vernavia. Good serve. Almost a service ace. Yes, it is. Point for the NCF Tigers. a service error. After that, service that, Japan style serve. May idol tong batang to sa Japan. That's why, ganun yung service niya. And in that sequence, libre puntos po for the NCF Covered. Ayun, Merdigia. Regalo by Katubig.
Konting puntos na lang sa NCF Tigers and they will get their third straight set and win this game against the USI Falcons now. Mira with the point. Now
Serving Raines. Mardigia, combination play, but it goes straight down to the net. 4 touches na itatawag dito sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Raines again to serve.
Libreng puntos for the NCF. Now on the service line, it's Katubig. Gawa ng paraan. Nakalusot sa blocker ng NCF Tigers. Yung palo na yon coming from the USI Falcons. And now he's serving jersey number 11. Nardigia to Solomon. A strong hit outside. Point for the USI Falcons.
Now, sunod-sunod na nga ang error side ng NCF Tigers. There's the chance of the USI Falcons dahil 3 lamang kanilang hinahabol dito sa ating third set. Now, let's see. Will it be a change of fate here for our set number 3?
Recover there. Mira. Now, a chance. Martigia. To Raimundo! Ayun na. Muling nagpapakilala. Rovic Raimundo Tubong, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. With that emphatic hit. Arcangel with the serve. Received by La Guardia. Ibigay kay Mira. Ibigay ng paraan. Puntos. NCF Tigers and tatawag ito ng timeout ang USI Falcons. Let's see if after that timeout they can stop the bleed or they can stop the momentum of the NCF Tigers.
Yes.
Nawatin, kanina nga, as I have seen here sa side ng NCF Tigers, they are really enjoying this game. Formulating new sets of players inside the court. It's very unusual na makikita mong hindi minsan si Merdigia yung nagsiset, minsan hindi si Estrella, pinapasok si Kapukaw, at ngayon naman sa side ng USI Falcons, they are really struggling when it comes to the reception, and I think they need to be composed. They need a good or an effective communication inside the court para at least may bawi nila yung set na to. Tuwang-tuwa nga ang coach dito ng NCF Tigers, starting as a coach, Gabriel Dionisio. Now Arcangel with that serve. Balane. Now, Raimundo to Solomon with the just. Good dig. Good save there. Good toss. Dance at side.
Ayun na. 5 puntos na lamang para sa NCF Tigers.
Papasok na si Ardena.
5 puntos na lamang kailangan dito ng NCF Tigers to end this third set. Now Arcangel to serve.
Arcangel. Good serve. Now, chance. Received by Arcangel. Mardigia. Wow! hulog. Walang, he is playing as a spiker right now dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Mira, good dig there by Merdeguia. Ngayon kalituhan doon. Nagkahiyaan si Katubig at Merdeguia. Kaya libre puntos for the USI Falcons.
Now the USI Falcons, anin dito yung kanilang hinahabol. If they really want to go near that point, they need to double their effort now. Raimundo, good save by the USI Falcons. Nagwadya now with a soft touch. Ball still alive here. Raimundo to try again this time. It's in. And the point for the NCF Tigers. At napatawag na nga muli that time at dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. 22 serving 15 is 7-point lead of the NCF Tigers. And again, the USI Falcons medyo hindi pa rin ipinapakita dito yung magandang performance. But let's see that remaining 3 points sa NCF Tigers kung di diretsuhin na ba nilang makuha yan or the USI Falcons ay may gagawin pa para hindi makuha ng NCF Tigers ang third set.
Alam mo, Tin, napakagandang makita lamang na nag-enjoy yung team dito. Actually, yung parehong kupunan, medyo baba nga dito. Yung USI, pero they're trying to be composed, they're trying to be positive para at least makasabay sila sa larong ito. And we are back after that timeout called by the USI Falcons. Ayan. Raimundo with that serve. Mira. Good dig there. Merdeguia with 1-2 play. But it's a net violation for Merdeguia. Si Genavia dito, sobrang vocal siya inside the court. He's really being positive right now. Katubig. Ibibigay kay Ardena. But it's an outside hit.
Humahabol nga yung USI Falcons with that error coming from the NCF Tigers. No, Balane.
Naibawi ni Ardena yung error na yon. Puntos for the NCF Tigers. 2 puntos na lamang kakailanganin.
Now he will serve the ball. Will it be just like the set number 2 kung saan nakuha nga nila yung panalo because of the service ace coming from Ardena? But that's an error now.
A free point for the USI Falcons. Now serving. Nero. Merdeguia to Genavia. Hulog! And puntos for the NCF Tigers. And that leads for the match point for NCF. Tuwang-tuwa ngayon si Gabriel Janicio standing as the coach right now for the Tigers with that formulation. And now, that Cobra serve. Serving. Almost a service ace once again. Now a chance to end this game. Genavia, Merdeguia, combination play, Katubig ends this match. At dyan po nagtatapos ang laro ng laban between the NCF Tigers versus the USI Falcons. At sa pagbabalik, malalaman natin ang player of the game. Dito lamang yan sa 1 Million TV-48-Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Dek, kaban, tayangan ko muna tibayan mo. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion. Leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre pa rin nga ang nangibabaw for this game. Here with me is the best player of the game, jersey number 10 with 8 points, 4 attacks, 2 block, and 2 service aces. He is none other than Jet Ruel Baredo. Hello, Jet Ruel. Grabe naman ginalingan mo today. Gusto lang namin malaman, ano ba yung ginagawa mo bago mag-start ang game na nakakatulong sa'yo every game?
Kapag natutulog po lagi ng maaga para po makapag-focus sa laro. And yun po ang goal namin ngayon kasi po natalo nga po kami sa Provincial Prisa. Gusto namin pakita kay Sir na kakayanan namin tong Bucal.
Speaking of mindset naman, ano ba yung mindset mo every game na nakakatulong din sa'yo?
Yun po, nag-meditate po kami lagi and dapat ano po, yung nga po, ano?
Sige, at dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po ang pamilya ko sa Sorsogon and mama, papa, para sa and kay Felices po and kila Sir Bon and sa buong team po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 10 of Naga College Foundation, Jet Ruel Baredo. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
And that ends the game for the first game for today's matchup. Of course, congratulations for our player of the game, Baredo, with 8 points, 4 attacks, 2 blocks, and 2 service aces. Ayan po. Abangan po natin ang susunod na game. It's the battle between the ACL Hawks versus the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. Dito lamang yan sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga. Ako po si Kelly Francisco.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, bakbakang CBSU and ACLC ang papanood natin maya-maya lamang only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.